Imagine if your logistic business could answer customer questions 24/7 without hiring additional support staff. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a powerful WhatsApp AI assistant for logistic companies using Pabbly Chatflow. This AI assistant can instantly answer shipment-related questions, provide logistic guidance, and help customers track shipments automatically. Let me show you how it works. See, as soon as I sent messages how much it will cost to ship a 10 kg package from Mumbai to Dubai, the AI assistant instantly responds and asks further information. And once I give, within a second it replies to me like this. Now let's try another question. What's the fastest way to send a package internationally? See, the AI assistant recommends Express International Services. Let's test another business inquiry. I run an e-commerce business. Can you help with bulk shipping and logistics? See, it immediately asks more details about my needs. Now let's try one more common customer question. How can I track my package without calling customer support? The AI assistant instantly explains the tracking process, shares tracking instructions, and helps customer find updates without waiting a support representative. And not only these, the AI assistant can answer hundreds of logistic-related questions automatically. No matter what question your customer asks, the AI assistant can respond instantly on WhatsApp, helping your logistic company provide better customer support while reducing workload on your team. This is specially used for regional logistic companies that receive repetitive inquiries every day and want to improve customer experience without increasing support cost. And the best part, I have created this AI assistant without writing a single line of code using all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool called Pabbly Chatflow. By the help of Pabbly Chatflow, you can create AI-powered WhatsApp assistant without coding. And not only just AI assistant, you can create a chatbots, WhatsApp broadcast marketing, and many more. So if you also want to automate your business on WhatsApp, then go and purchase this tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the creation of this AI assistant. At first, open a new tab and go for pabbly.com/chatflow. So this is the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are new to Pabbly, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But if you are an existing user just like me, then click on the sign in option and then you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this access now button. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp numbers. Now the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side you will see the multiple features. In this tutorial we are going to create an AI assistant, so I am directly going in this AI assistant feature. See, here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. In few minutes you will understand how you can create an AI assistant and what is knowledge base. For creating a new AI assistant, you have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, give your assistant a descriptive name. I give it as how logistic companies can handle shipment inquiries automatically. I have given this name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on the AI assistant you are creating. After that, I am clicking on this button. See, our AI assistant is created successfully. Now this right here is the starting point of doing the setup of your AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting instructions type as an AI agent. You can select anyone according to your choice. And as soon as I can select the instructions type, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions define defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your user. In simple terms, these are the rules that AI assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these rules if you want to. After that, the temperature. Temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant. As lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while higher temperature gives creative and flexible responses. You can increase and decrease the temperature from here. I have entered in 0.5. After that, the model provider I am going to select as OpenAI. Next, you need to select the model variant that I am selecting as GPT-4o mini. And next, in this field, you have to paste the API key. So for getting this API key, you need to go towards your OpenAI API keys page. See, this is my OpenAI platform. Now for generating this API key, you have to click on this plus create new secret key button. Here the name is an optional. You can give it if you want to. Select the project and provide the permission. After that, click on this create secret key button. And see, the API key is successfully generated. I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. Now I'm copying this API key from here and pasting it in this field. After pasting the API key, you have to click on this connect button. See, it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the AI assistant settings with multiple options. You can customize it based on your own needs. If you want to add any header, footer, then you can enable this toggle and enter it here. If you want to add any stop keywords, then you can add the keyword in this field. Stop keywords works like, for example, I have entered the word as stop and the user will send exact that word while communicating with my AI assistant. Then my assistant will become stop, and on that point human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I am not adding any header, footer or the stop keywords too. After the retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your users if something goes wrong. You can increase it till 10. Last one is the fallback message. The fallback message is the message that sends to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to the user for the better conversation. I have entered this message, but you can change it completely based on your company or the organization. Now we will move forward to the most important part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, that is knowledge source. Here you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant provide business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. In this tutorial, we are going to design an WhatsApp AI assistant specifically for logistic companies. So for that, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is how the knowledge base file look like. You have to make sure that it contains all the information related to your business. Means the services you are providing, general FAQs, your business related information and everything, as it plays an important role. It works like a brain for your AI assistant. So create this file carefully. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other application by the help of which you can create a PDF or the text formatted file. The file size should be less than 90 MB and the accepted formats are .txt or .pdf. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. For uploading a new knowledge base file, you have to click on this option, click on this add new file and upload a file from your gallery. See, the file is uploaded successfully. Next, I'm clicking on this upload files button, selecting the same file from here and clicking on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file while doing the setup of your AI assistant. With the help of this file, AI assistant is going to be work personally for your business. And now the next one is the assistant interface. Here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I am entering a heading as Swift Cargo Logistics. As soon as I replace the heading here, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that are going to visible in front of your user. After that, I'm replacing the subheading to with track shipments, delivery updates and logistics supports 24/7 because I want to sound this AI assistant specially for logistic companies. Next, I'm also changing the initial message as well to need help tracking a shipment, scheduling a pickup, checking delivery status, or getting shipping rates. I added only one initial message, but you can add two. After that, the label that is powered by Pabbly, you can disable it from here if you want to. Next, the footer text I have entered as privacy policy, also added one footer link, and the user first message I have entered as I need help. You can replace it if you want to. Now the next one is styling. Here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors, and shapes. As soon as you can make any changes in this field, it is going to be changed here too. So this is how you can customize your AI assistant. After giving the style, you have to enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will become active, and click on this save AI assistant button. That's it. You have successfully learned how you can create an AI assistant without coding. So this is the simplest way of creating a WhatsApp AI assistant. And the next button is embed button. With the help of this button, you can access your AI assistant inside your websites as well. When you click on this button, it will provide you the code of this AI assistant. You have to copy this code and paste it inside your website code, and this AI assistant is going to be appear and accessible inside your websites as well. So not only here, you can use this AI assistant anywhere. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. After successfully creating an AI assistant, you have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. Now I'm going to set this AI assistant to all of my contacts. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle and select the contact list from here on whom you want to set your AI assistant. After that, select the AI assistant from this drop down and click on this save AI assistant button. See, inbox settings saved successfully. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that, you need to go towards this contacts feature and click on this button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add bulk contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while understanding this setup, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And not for the logistic companies, you can create an AI assistant for any type of business by replacing the knowledge base file. The logic and the steps will almost same. It works for your business 24/7 even when you are sleeping. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing setup for your own business too. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.